Okay, good evening traders, it's Paul Clevitt from SignalTrader trading system. That's www.iwanttobeaforextrader.com or www.dailyforextrader.me for the blog. Just thought I'd demonstrate and show SignalTrader working on a live trade. This trade was entered about 3:07 in the afternoon, more or less, and you can see the green lines and the red lines and all the lines going on the page. Every line here is drawn by SignalTrader. I've drawn no lines at all. Now, when the trade went on, basically it was like this. You can see all the trends are bearish. Okay, SignalTrader shows you the 15-minute trend, the hourly, the 4-hourly, daily, and the weekly, all on one chart. So the entry was where this green line was. Now you can see this red line following the trade down. When it entered here, it had broken out of congestion. SignalTrader drew a congestion thing, and when I was in it, I was waiting for the trade. The congestion went right along here. You can just see it. In fact, it was the bottom of it was here, and the top of it was here, and it had been in congestion for about 300 minutes. Sorry, 303. Yes, about 300 minutes. Quite a long time. No, it's actually more than that. It was about 3,000 minutes. This is quite, because each candle was 15 minutes, so you can imagine how long it was. So anyway, it breaks down through here like this, and you can see these candles here like that with the short ends, which is a breakout signal followed by another breakout signal. Well, this is this candle here with the two tiny wicks. Okay, so but we took the trade was on as an order because SignalTrader had already identified it. It had already said, we've got all these trends together. This is a good trade. This is a good sell to get. Okay, so you can also you see this red dotted line here. Now that's the stop loss. Now SignalTrader manages the stop loss on this trade, and as you can see, at the moment the stop loss is moving bearish with the trade. SignalTrader detects the strength in the system, the strength in the markets, and holds the stop loss. You can see it's done it here. If there's no sellers and there's no selling going on, then it will hold the stop loss at price. So in other words, if we get a fake, we'll lose a minimal amount of money. So it also shows you things like risk and reward. We don't actually place trades. You can see it's got a big sad face on it. I don't place trades unless it's 2.5 to 1 risk to reward. And this trade, of course, when it was entered here, was way over that. So the stop loss is now sitting. You can see this red dotted line has followed the trade down. The stop loss is now sitting here, and we're still in the bearish move. My target is right down here. It's about 145 pips. If that's the sort of trade you like, then you need SignalTrader trading system to help you identify it. Another thing that comes with SignalTrader, that's one of my traders. Hi, Nick. Another thing that comes with SignalTrader is the web-based interface that plugs into your MetaTrader 4. We've got some really unique technology, and if it was a different time of day, because it's quite quiet, it's the end of the day, you would have a whole list of possible trades here, except that this SignalTrader is just showing you trades that might come good. When they come good, if this was a trade that I was going to be considering taking, SignalTrader would highlight it in red or green. Red for a sell, green for a buy. So it's easy to identify the possible trades. In this case, in fact, look at the way it's dropped now. It's just dropping like mad at the moment. And I suspect there's something going on at 8 o'clock. There's nothing in the news. You could, incidentally, with the trading system, you get as the web part of the web interface, you've got news, and we can see that there's absolutely nothing going on. So why it's dropping, I don't know. Probably just because there's so much pressure on the in favour of the yen at the moment. There's so much pressure that they're just going to take it out, and I suspect it'll just keep going down to here and just bounce us off the bottom there. SignalTrader will follow the trade down. If there's a sudden reversal, we've still made a profit. This is what we call a safe trade in SignalTrader terms, because the red line, that's the stop loss, is actually inside the sell entry. So you can see that. And now there's loads of stuff going on the screen. If you become a SignalTrader member, you also get to join our user group. Here it is, SignalTrader user group, which is our own board. And but obviously you have to be a SignalTrader member to access that. It's privately set up, and you have to log in and get it. And also we've got a Skype chat room, which allows you to chat and get help when you need it, which is quite sweet. And that runs 24. Well, it's actually 24/7. So again, this is just refreshing. At the moment, there's only one trade sitting there because it's the end of the day. However, later on there may be more. It looks to me like this trade is going to complete, and we're going to get our 146 pips out of this trade. because we've actually got all this as well. So I entered here. You see the way it just stack at certain congestion. Any minute now, I suspect that congestion will disappear and it will say no congestion, because it's broken out of it. So we're dropping down for the final push towards 135.5, whatever that's actually at, the take profit. 1.35 something or other. SignalTrader worked that out, not me. It works out all the targets and everything. So that's the sort of trade that you'll get with SignalTrader trading system. Sometimes we lose trades just like everybody else, except that we have a minimal loss because the stop's following the trade down. So if it's suddenly, like if now we were hitting for news at 8 o'clock, it would suddenly rally up and we'd just stop out, but we'd still make a profit, just not as much. But SignalTrader is good at taking these slow trades, and it's good at taking fast trades too, a fast move down. This one's looking good. I don't know how much it is in profit. Probably, let's have a little look. 75 pips in profit right now. I've got another about 60 pips to go till target, I think. So it's been quite a slow mover, and I think it will be a slow mover. So if you're interested in SignalTrader and becoming a forex trader, you don't need any experience, okay? Because there's a bunch of us who'll help you. We're a trading team. We'll take on anybody really who's willing to learn and willing to have a go. And you don't need a whole bunch of money either. In fact, to start with, use a demo account that's free and just trade with pretend money, just till you learn how the software works. I'm Paul Levitt. This is from www.iwanttobeaforextrader.com. If you're thinking about SignalTrader, contact me, have a chat. We can do a live demo, we can answer your questions, that's no problem. You can contact me directly through the website at www.iwanttobeaforextrader.com, or you can contact us through dailyforextrader.me, which is the blog. That's the URL up there. And really happy to help you. It's a great team of people who are using this software and making profits with it. And that's it. Have a great day, what's left of it, and I'll talk to you again in the morning. I do a trading video every day, looking at what SignalTrader's thinking.